In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time off and vacation requests in ClickUp. We'll set up a simple, reliable workflow using a ready-made template so your team can request vacation or sick days and you can track approvals in one place. First, open ClickUp and sign into your workspace. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one for your team so everything lands where you expect. Next, head to your space. Think of a space as the top-level container for a department or function, like operations, people, or any team that will own these requests. Opening the correct space up front keeps your structure clean and makes permissions easier to manage later. Now, open the board or list where you want the requests to live. In ClickUp, a list is a collection of tasks, and a board is just a visual view of that same list. Either works. What matters is choosing the place your managers and requesters will actually use. If you organize with folders, pick a dedicated HR or admin folder and select the list inside it. Having a clear home for requests helps with reporting and visibility. With your location set, click the plus icon. You'll find it in the area where you add new items. This button is your gateway to adding tasks, docs, and, importantly for us, templates. Before you click further, pause for a second and confirm you're still inside the correct list or space. It's a small check that avoids cleanup later. Choose Templates. This opens ClickUp's Template Center, which includes built-in and community templates you can install in just a few clicks. Templates save you from reinventing fields like start date, end date, and request type. Use the search bar and type time off. This narrows the gallery to options designed for leave management. You'll usually see variations that include statuses, custom fields, and suggested views tailored to requests and approvals. Select the time off request template. You can preview what it includes. Common parts are statuses for submitted and approved, fields for dates and reason, and sometimes example tasks to show how it works. Make sure the structure aligns with how your team handles requests and who needs visibility. Finally, click Use Template. ClickUp will import it into the location you opened earlier, instantly creating the list configuration, fields, and views. From there, you can fine-tune labels, adjust statuses to match your policy language, and make sure the right people have access. With the template in place, your team has a consistent, trackable way to submit and review time off, all within your existing workflow.